Hey folks, so we got this Chrome Pulse wrench set here. It's 4 wrenches, 2 wrenches, and each wrench has 4 sizes. It starts 5/16 and it goes up to 3/4. No skips. I wanted to use this a little bit before I did a review on it to see what I thought. My input, the reversing switch should be on both sides. No matter what side you're using the wrench on, you can get to the reversing switch. Would it be harder for this to do the fabrication? Yeah, I guess it would be. How they would do it? Only drill a hole, put another pin, probably have to be a screw in for reversing lever, but back drag's not horrible. It's not by any means the lightest, the easiest back drag on any of them. Yeah, the 3/8 and 5/16 and the 7/16 and a half inch doesn't feel bad. Not horrible, like I said. But for a go bag for this truck, absolutely. These 2 wrenches here could do just about everything on that square body. I'm trying to think off the top of my head what it couldn't do. I mean, of course, it wouldn't do anything with, I think it's a screwdriver. But I was thinking it would do just about anything else you need to do on that truck for being alongside the road. Of course, some spots you would struggle on. The thickness of that head, it's definitely a little thick. The 3/8, 5/16 is tolerable. I mean, it's all tolerable. For a go bag, it's great. How does it feel in my hand? Mediocre. I have wrenches that feel better for sure. I do like how that gives me a lot of room right there. With me, I'm going to put my hands on that head like that. I'm going to use that head for grip on it. The bar, I think it's a little thin. And when I say if you pull on it like that a lot, it might hurt a little bit. That's why I would recommend, back here at where the other size is. The reversing switch does want to pinch my finger a little bit, I think. But that could be just the size of my hands where I'm putting them. Like that, it doesn't. Like that, it doesn't. Just like that, it does a little bit. It's a great little set to have in a tool bag if you have an old school like this. I wouldn't mind seeing a set like this that was a standard metric mix. Of course, the 5/16 is also your 8 mil. The 7/16 is your 11 mil. I wouldn't mind seeing it break down a little bit better, maybe 3 or 4 inches. Just to add some metric into it. Your 3/4, of course, the metric. Just like a 3-piece set of standard metric, and that way it can go a lot farther. Would I use it every day? No. But for a go bag, it's awesome. The less you have to carry in a go bag, and the more you can do with it, is huge. They feel strong as in gears. I think it might have been like 72 twos, whatever. I think it was like $30 or $24. It wasn't much more than that. But yeah, I just want to do a video on it and tell you my thoughts. Maybe I'll do a little bit of wrenching with them, do a video on that, see how it is. This set is actually going to the bowling alley. We run old Brunswick A2 pin setters, and I'm the mechanic there. All old school American. Machines are from 1960. And even though most of them are Japanese machines, it still has American sizes on it, which is pretty cool. But yeah, this is where the set's going. And I'll do some videos in there and see how they get in the tight spots. Later, folks.